always been interested in robotics and automation and doing things in the physical world with software that only, to date, humans were able to do.
Perrone Robotics provides autonomous vehicle solutions to fleet, transit, and transportation companies.
Downtown public transit circulators, residential community operations, campuses, corporate or university.
Robotics at a really high level is any sensing, planning, and acting system.
This is a complex problem. You're basically replicating what goes on up here inside of computers and sensors that are in a vehicle.
What sets us apart is we have this MAX platform, which is a general purpose robotic operating system. That lets us take new vehicles and convert them into autonomous vehicles very, very rapidly.
MAX is constructed to some extent as a behavior engine. When you configure it, that's when MAX comes alive and does something and drives the vehicle. We've outfitted over 30 different vehicles, including gigantic mining trucks.
It's a 3-story house on wheels that our software is controlled.
We've also retrofit certain vehicles that have now become turnkey solutions. We had the first fully autonomous shuttle operating on public roads for the public in Virginia. We like to say we need to be NASA grade safe, Apple simple, and provide Amazon level customer assurance.
What we have is something very different, and our results and our customer satisfaction outperforms everyone else.
In this company, there's a lot of satisfaction to what you do. You have a lot of talented people you're working with.
We have an amazing product, proves itself time and time again. It's something that I take a lot of pride in.
It's about the autonomous mobility of people and things in a prolific and scalable fashion such that humankind can benefit from that.